Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we want to find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, big up Skillibeng, doing extremely well in the dancehall industry as a young artist. Now, the artist has found a way to fuse and create a flow that fuses intellectual dialect with the sound of the streets. Is it? Now, he made a statement recently in a major interview. I'm have to talk about it because as a young artist, I say you can know when an artist have longevity in the game. Because you have some artists that talk about what they want to do and what them are the game changer and what them are bring to the table. You have to study the game, know the greats in the game, so you can know what you can offer. You can't say you're going to do something new if it has already been done. So you have to study the game and know what has occurred before you. Now, Skillibeng said, viewers and subscribers, the moment he was notified that yes, he will be a part of the project, the Off Dance and Divas, viewers and subscribers, the Billboard accredited dancehall album of which Skillibeng is a part, and in track with Juicy and Tammy Lee, and of course Vybz Kartel himself, is doing extremely well on all platforms. Very few artists we can talk about and say this. All platforms right across the board. Now, he said it was a euphoric moment, viewers and subscribers. He said, like many young DJs are forward up in the music industry, Kartel was and still is a huge role model to him. Now, he was quoted as saying, as a youth, what I did really want out of music still, if I can collaborate with my favorite artists and be a part of the star life, he said. He also was quoted as saying, big up to Kartel, feel a star way there, you know, from music. Without him, would not really follow up music certain way. Because Kartel style of music is where Skillibeng era of music built from. Very profound statement. Big up the artist for saying that. Skillibeng added that some artists give props to Kartel, but they don't fully credit the world boss for building the foundation on which their music stands. Profound statement. Him say at the end of the day, really why them now want give full credit to the world boss is because them not really capable of doing what we're doing. And not everybody's strong enough to build a style, go back to the drawing board, forward back to dancehall, test it and it work. And not everybody can do that. And not everybody can build a strategy, and Vybz Kartel teach with that, he said. Now, that is a very profound statement from a young artist. Skillibeng is going places. I know him going places. You know how I know that, viewers and subscribers. In this era of dancehall music, it is fundamental to acknowledge that we are at a certain crossroads in a dancehall music. I'm not talk upwards from arbitrary, because we would have never said down. We not say upwards from, we not talk upwards from arbitrary. We are at a crossroads in music where other genres of music are fusing not only our dancehall but also our reggae. Them so go for ska and mentor, and are fusing them into a world sound. Now, when you listen to a rap artist, it is not strange to hear Drake talk about Jamaica. It is not strange to hear him use statements or slangs that we use locally. It's not strange to hear Nicki, Cardi B or these rappers saying it. But when a dancehall artist either mention or use a flow or anything like that, adding another genre of music and fusing it, or local stakeholders have all different things to say. And I pointed out in a recent vlog, the majority of these naysayers about the fusion sound are actually stakeholders from the 90s era. And big them up for their contributions, but they have to let the genre grow. Them have to let the genre grow. These young artists, viewers and subscribers, and also yes, me hear the statement they make. An artist get talked about. We're gonna talk about that in another vlog. If you don't want to hear some more vlog viewers and subscribers, if you don't want to talk about that subject, yes, I saw it. Now, speaking about this era of music, Skillibeng and Vybz Kartel. Skillibeng said this era of music is really where his generation learned from Vybz Kartel himself that this is the tried and proven style in music, not just locally but also internationally as well, and packaged and presented in music. You can, as a young artist, you can listen to Vybz Kartel music, you know. Look upon him career, because everything is now being documented. Watch the career of the artist, and you can be inspired to now fit up your craft. Because Skillibeng said being inspired by Vybz Kartel doesn't mean that Skilly I go sound or go out time way to try sound or mimic Vybz Kartel. But being inspired by an individual, a happenings, a situation means that you have taken the essence of that and have added it to your craft to make you a better artist or better whatever you are pursuing at that point in time, where you add to yourself and I try create a concept and I say this is how we're going to push forward to the masses. Skillibeng viewers and subscribers, as a young artist, as I said before when the vlog start, intellectual reasoning is a youth will go sixth form. Enough people don't know that, because he has fused the sound of the streets so that people can relate, so that people can understand the subject matter. You have a track recently to it is a Sing J flow in my brain, showing versatility, subject matter in a songs, showing diversity. Because even though we know he's a hardcore dancehall artist, him still a show us say, what you know, even though we are hardcore youths from the streets, we are not one track minded. And we are growth as well. And we are aware of the different situations that people go through, and that music has something kind of, you know what I mean? People use it to alleviate certain situations they go through. People have said that, and it has been tried and proven. Now, Skillibeng as a young artist, viewers and subscribers, the streets are react well to his music, and the fact that pay homage to Vybz Kartel shows that as a young artist, him now follow what them other artists they do. Because I see some young artists have fallen out to prominence. I don't know if it's a way to seek attention, but some statements that they make and the fact that they don't pay homage to the foundation, and then make claims like them might do something in the industry, or them arrive, or them reach, or them make it and know. These artists are wrong, because we have seen dancehall artists were there for a couple of years and then we don't hear nothing from them again. There are dancehall artists who are no longer players in the movement, have a name though, and pretend as if they are in the industry. Probably put out even songs every now and then, make mention of projects that we have never seen released. I'll then do a talk, so we have a project in the works and nothing. No, these artists are masquerading, viewers and subscribers, as prominent artists. These are not prominent artists. These are artists with a name. And once they fall to prominence, it means they are found now and people are taking note. Being prominent in the industry is not a title where we can award to them. They are not considered as naysayers because they are no longer players in the game. We not consider them as players in the game no more. And we can't consider them veteran artists because them still as they don't reach that age. So we don't know where them career is in limbo at this moment in time. If we don't know what limbo means, in the comment section, we don't know, go Google it. But them career is in limbo at this moment in time. We don't know what we're going to do with them. We don't know what we are going to do with them. Skillibeng though, definitely has shown not only talent, but also merit. You have to remember this too, as an individual. You know? This is a different era in a music. It is no longer an era where record labels control when music is published. It is no longer an era where you only hear the artist and see the artist and interviews, or hear the artist and when you hear the music, or as I say, for an interview. In this day and age, artists have social media accounts managed by the artists. You can't hear them opinion, you can't see where them wear, you can't see what them like, what them not like, you can't see who them with, you can't even see where they are at. People are more now in tune with the artists. People have been long fascinated by the stars when them see or listen to. But now there's a way where you can actually get closer to the artist. So people like to know what kind of individual you are. Massacre being a very good artist, we can talk about it. Even though being a good artist Me that say things when him said about the teacher have made him look away in a dancehall music to the point where people are not only looking at the facts saying he's a talented artist. They must say, yo, but where yourself proves say, yo, he's not a individual way willing to show no loyalty. And even that was enough to slow down the momentum of Massacre's career. Him still a build it back. A good artist though. Don't know what go on do. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yeah, man, now move settings from out and need a ladder. And until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper. Until the reason again.